will be teaching you my karate moves. Yay! And I will be showing you some of these instruments. And let's start! Okay, first up I am starting with the very hard karate move. Okay, it is this. Okay, and next I'm going to be showing you the high kick. Yay! Okay, it is. You have to do this, and then you have to do. Okay, wait, one of them is like. Oh, he's better than me because I don't do karate that often. And also, I can show you a view punch. Yeah, come on up. Come on up.
Punch the wall.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on in. I can just punch you. Okay. He's too shy to do it, so I'm good for you. Okay, come on. Run up. Run up, Daddy.
Here comes the audience, boys.
Okay. And go.
And here comes the oh! And the amazing karate kid wins.
And I will be showing you some of my gymnastics stuff, which is called the splits. Well, it's not, obviously. It's a different one. Okay. It's this. Yeah.
Amazing!
Oh, well, that's a karate move, sort of. And also, I will be showing you a handstand. Okay. Everybody move.
Amazing!
And a cartwheel.
Oh no, looks like we have some technical difficulties. Amazing!
And that's all of the